Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to execute Python program using Python interpreter. To do this, first we have to keep open the Python interpreter. Click on Start button, go to All Apps or All Programs, then either scroll down or select any alphabet. Then go to P because Python starts with P. I am clicking on this. Here I got Python folder. By clicking on this folder, the first option IDLE Python we need to select. When you click on this, a Python shell mode will be opened. In this mode, we can able to type just a single line program and execute. But to execute a multiple line program, we have to click on File, then select the new file. Otherwise, from your keyboard, you can enter or press Control and N. So I am clicking here. See, now the script mode has been opened. If you want to increase the font size, click on Options, then select Configure IDLE. By clicking on this, here the size it is showing 10. So I will select this up to 16 or 20 as needed. Okay, I will select 18, then click Apply. See, the size of the window is also opened and also the font size got to 18. Now start typing with the first program. In Python, for commenting, we will use hash. And when we use hash, it comes in red color always. So here I am typing program to swap two numbers using third variable. Okay. After that, I'm starting to type the program. We are taking variable a and it is of type integer. After that, we are entering input. Then here enter the first number. Okay, close double quote, close first parenthesis, then close second. Like this we have to give. Under this double quote, we can enter as we like. Okay, because it is a user defined statement. Next, b, second variable we are taking. It is also integer type and we are using input. Then here we have to use enter the second number, close double quotes, close parenthesis 2 times. Now we need to start swapping. The third variable, we have taken two variables as a and b. Now we are taking the third variable as temp. Compare this with assign the value of a to temp. Then a equal to b, that is the value of b is we are assigning to a. The value of temp is assigning to a, then the value of a is assigning to b. After that, assign the value of b again to temp by using the assignment operator, that is equals sign. Finally, we are printing that here f we will take. I will tell you in the later programs for what we are using f here. Okay, after swapping, here I am giving it like this. Inside double quote you can use anything. Okay, after swapping, then I am using a equal to, then covering a inside the curly brace, put comma, then b, it is equal to, again b is covering inside the curly braces. So this is the complete program to swap using third variable. Okay, now we have to run. Before running, we need to save. Click on the file option, then select save. Either from your keyboard you can press Ctrl yes, save. Then it asks to save. So I recommend you to create your own folder somewhere. So I am creating my own folder here. Here inside this I have created a folder. Okay, here I will type as program 1, that is third variable, swap. Okay, using third variable. So as we are using Python, so we have to give .py as its extension name. Then click on save. In that folder, here I have already saved, so it is asking one more time. So in that folder your program will be saved. Whenever required, you can open and see. Just after this, how to run. See, when I run the program, if all errors are cleared, then it will be automatically shifted to this IDLE mode. See here. Now I am doing, click on run, then run module, click, otherwise use F5 key from the keyboard. See, it is showing an error, that is invalid syntax. Perhaps you forgot a comma. That means after F, I need to give a comma, or somewhere I have missed a comma. For that thing, it is showing us we have forgot to give a comma here. Okay, then so we will check clearly like this. If you do any errors and all, okay, then it will prompt us and it will give us errors wherever we have forgot. See, what we missed here is, here this double quote, actually we need to enter in last here. So I have entered in between, so it is showing us error. Then click on run again, click on run module. It will ask every time to save the source. Just you click, once you have given the name, no need to give name again and again, just you click OK. See, automatically it is shifted to IDLE mode. Now I am entering number 10 as A, then press enter. Now the second number B, what we have taken, we are entering, I am entering it as 20. Now pressing enter, it will give us the result. See, now before swapping, okay, here some error is there. Why? Actually A equal to 10 and B equal to 20 should be there. There is some error in the program. Let us check what is the error. Okay, come back to the program. See, here we have to use, that is temp equal to A equal to B, and B equal to temp. All these things are right. Yes, here we made a mistake. That is, after A we have to enclose A inside the curly brace. If in the syntax we will do any mistakes like this, it will sometimes it will prompt, and if the logical error is there, it will not prompt us. So here it is showing both as 10. Now again click on run module. It will ask to save as usual, then click OK. Here it is showing enter the first number, so I am entering 10. Again enter the second number as 20, enter. See, we have taken first letter A as 10. I am showing you clearly here. See, here A, okay, enter the first number, we have taken 10 for A, and B, enter the second number, we have taken 20. Swapping, exchanged, A was 10 and it has become 20 after swapping. B was 20 and it has become 10 after swapping. Like this, by using Python interpreter, we can execute the Python programs. In the next video, I am coming with the next program. Till then, thank you. I am asking to just subscribe my channel and comment on my videos. Once again, thank you one and all. Thank you.